If you click this video for the same reason I'm making this video, yeah, you are here for the right reason. Hey guys, I don't know if this lighting is doing justice to this video, or should I turn that on? Nah, that just made it worse. First of all, get this too, because you're gonna be needing them. Starting this video without introduction, like it isn't given. Hey guys, my name is MXR, and if this is your first time seeing my video, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications for my videos or for future updates, because why not? Anyway, let's get straight into the video. I think I'm doing too much talking. Let me get straight into the video. When you talk about student apartment, it doesn't necessarily have to be a student apartment. It could be a dorm. It could be a student apartment, or it could be an apartment you're sharing with your friend, or just someone close. Okay? Don't ask me why I'm drinking Monster in the middle of the night. I don't know. There's just so much energy. I don't know if I should start with the bath, or I start with the kitchen, or I start with the bedroom. Okay, I feel like the bedroom is like the main part of the apartment, so I'm just gonna be starting with the bedroom. And I've got like my list here, so if you see me, I'm not cheating. I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss out anything. Okay, relax, calm. So everything I'm about to say now is solely based on my experience living as a student. Okay, you can take it out, or you can have to. It's on you. Okay, I'm just saying this is just solely based on my experience. I live in Sweden, and basically our student apartment doesn't really come with a bed. Like in other countries, most of the student apartment comes with a bed. If you're lucky that your apartment has a bed, congratulations. So let's just say get a bed. You need blankets, pillows, bed sheets, comforter. You need all of those, right? So yeah, don't forget them. You are a student, so you need what? A study table. Very, very important. A study table. You need a study chair. Yeah, you need those too, because you're gonna be needing them. You're going to be burning late night candles. You're gonna be burning candles. So get them. You need a study lamp. I have a study lamp here. I don't know if I can show you guys. Oh, I don't know if I can. This is what my lamp looks like. Please mind the dust, okay? It's not like I'm dirty. It's just I have no excuse. But yeah, I got this from IKEA. I might be linking it in the description box. But I got that lamp from IKEA, and I also have other lamps. You want more light, or you need, a darker place, is up to you. You need candles and spray. If you're someone that loves scented candles, you can get yourself some scented candles, because this room is a very small place, so you want to keep it well ventilated. You always have to open your window, not all the time, but like you need it to smell nice, so you can get yourself some scented candles, or you get yourself some hairspray, whatever you feel comfortable with. It's very compact, so you want to at least get some fresh air in there, right? Yeah. You need some standing fan. Like I said, you want that place well ventilated. You want the fresh air. You don't want it smelling ill, right? So you get yourself some standing fan, or if you already have a fan, congratulations. But yeah, my room didn't come with a fan. I had to get one. Laundry basket. You're going to be washing your clothes yourself. Nobody is going to help you. You will wash your clothes yourself. I've got like a laundry basket from, luckily I just did my laundry so I can carry it. So I got this from IKEA. It's more of like I don't know, I think I'm going to be putting the pictures on the screen if I can. So I got that also from IKEA. And it's not really big. Since you're the only one living, you are living alone. Yeah, so I don't know how much clothes you have, but I think that's enough. If you need more, get 2. If you feel like 2 is not enough, get 3. If you feel like 3 is not enough, get 15. It's up to you. Up to you. Yeah. a laptop or an iPad. It just depends on what you want. Me personally, I have an HP laptop. This is what it looks like. And I didn't get an iPad, although I was gonna get an iPad when I moved in. Because when I checked our course, I don't know what you call it in English. I'm gonna be putting it here. I noticed that we're gonna be doing more of calculations, and I prefer to do my calculations on paper. I get more connected to my my pen and paper. Yeah, I get connected to my pen and paper. So I feel like even if I had an iPad, I wouldn't use it. It's just a waste of money. When I need it, let me show you something. So basically, yeah, I was gonna get an iPad. I literally got my stuffs. I literally ordered my iPad. I'm not even gonna lie. I got the screen protector and everything, but my iPad came, but I wasn't home, so they had to return it. So it was more of like they came the second time, but they didn't contact me. How am I supposed to know you guys are coming? I wasn't home, so they had to return it. So it was like more of like to and fro. I said to them, please give me back my money. I don't need my iPad. I don't need the iPad anymore because I wasn't really in need of it. So basically, I don't need it. So you guys can hold it. Why I'm saying that? I'm gonna be giving out this for free. If you're watching my video and both of them are brand new, I haven't used them. I haven't even used them, not even for once. Please, you must be in Sweden. I don't have money for shipping. I don't have money for shipping. You must be in Sweden, because how much is it I'm going to be sending this for extra? So if you live in Sweden, or I don't know, but I need to give this out. So if you have an iPad, the 10th generation, and you need a case, a cover, and a screen protector, just comment down below. I'm gonna be putting my email. You can reach me on my email or my Instagram or my TikTok, whatever you feel is comfortable for you. Just let me know. Buy what you need. Don't feel like because your friends are getting it, you also need to get it. Most of my friends got an iPad, but I don't feel like I need it, so I'm not getting it. Yeah, because you guys can see, it's just calculations I'm doing my whole life. Calculations. If it's more of like a theory thing, then I would get an iPad, but I don't feel like I need an iPad. You also need hangers. I don't know why I got hangers. Anyways, you need a lot of hangers, because when I was moving in, I really thought, okay, these hangers are gonna be enough, like to hang my clothes. You think you don't have clothes till when you're moving, then you're going to know, bro, yeah, I got a lot of clothes. So get yourself a lot of hangers, because you're gonna be needing them. Yeah, trust me, you're gonna be needing them. And you know, when you're moving into your a new city, or like you're starting like a new life, I feel like you also want to get some new outfits. Am I the only one that feel that way? So, you know, put that also into consideration, like more clothes, more hangers, right? So get yourself more hangers. You need key holders. A key holder. You don't have to. This is what my key. I'm so. Please don't judge my key. Please don't judge my key. You need key holders, because you're gonna be having a lot of keys. You're probably gonna be having keys to your garage or keys to your apartment. Most people already have cars. We are still praying to God. We are praying to God. Most people already have hangers. Most people already have cars, so you're gonna also be like, we didn't need for your car keys. You know why? Because there's a lot of things you want to put in your head at the same time. So keys are the last thing you want to think about. That is why you're gonna be needing a key holder. Okay, get one. That's if you don't have. You're also gonna be needing yourself a speaker. This is what my speaker looks like. Marshall. It doesn't have to necessarily be like a very big speaker. It could be a small one. And the reason why you need speaker is probably just because you're a student. I don't know, for me, it feels like I'm going through a lot. I just put some song, you know, get into the vibe, you know, dance, listen to music, you know, it's just the vibe. You need all the vibes you can get as a student, okay? And you know, sometimes you want to go out with your friends. Maybe you guys want to like just go out and grill, have some fun in the garden, you know, just put some music on. So get yourself some speaker, because it's gonna give you at least some vibes or some energy that you might be lacking. Does that make sense? Anything you can get from your parents' house, get them. I mean it. Get what? Get them. Get every single thing you feel like you need, and you have it in your house, in your parents' house right now. Start packing it. Start packing it, because when you are alone and you're buying these things, you'll be like, are pencils this expensive? I never knew. So get everything you can get from your parents' house. I didn't say you should steal. I'm not saying, bro, go and steal. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying to get them while you can, because a word is enough for the wise. I ain't saying more than that. Okay, I would say printer, but printer is more. Is not really important. But if you have if you have the opportunity to get a printer, get one. Because in my school, you have to pay. You have to. I think it was free at the time, but like people started wasting papers, and we're like, you people, you need to suffer for it. So you need to start paying. So we not right now we pay to print out stuffs, and it costs quite a lot. So if you have like a printer that you are not using anymore at home, get it and like just bring it over to where you are staying, or where you want to start staying, or hey, but you get me, right? You get me. Paper towel or wipes, just like cleaning supplies generally, because you're going to be needing them. Get yourself some cleaning supplies. And the thing is, the study chair and the study table can be quite expensive. So it's better for you to start checking, like right now, if they're on discount and get them. Because when it's getting close to the time that students are ordering, it's going to be more expensive. Mine was kind of expensive. I got it from IKEA, by the way. So if you can get them, even if it's second-handed, it's not a problem. You can say second-handed or second-hand. Yay! But yeah, you get me, right? Oh, you also need other stuffs in your room, but I feel like that's more of a personal thing. If you feel like I need this in my room, then you get more of like a dresser. If you feel like you have a space in your room to put a dresser, then you get yourself one. Things you'll be needing in your kitchen. First of all, if you're moving into an apartment, make sure you talk to your landlord to know what he already has or she already has in the kitchen prior to you moving in, okay? And so you don't end up getting extra stuff. Because there are some things like garbage can, electric kettle, a toaster. The landlord might already have them sitting in his kitchen. It happened to me. That's why I'm saying this. It's from experience. My landlord already had literally everything. He had a rice cooker. He had electric kettle. He literally, and I still got these things. I got electric kettle, and he already has this thing sitting in his kitchen. So if now I just have extra stuff in here, like I'm not even using them. Make sure you have contact with your landlord to know what you need and what you don't. That's gonna save you some extra bucks, right? So let's get straight into the business. In the kitchen, food containers, you need them because you're gonna be making a lot of homemade meals. You got no money to waste. You gotta start learning how to make yourself some homemade meals. I mean what I'm saying. You need plates and cups, pots and pans. You need silverware. You need cutting board, garbage can, rugs and towels. All what I'm about to say now is like optional. And what I'm saying is optional because your landlord, like I said, might already have these things sitting in the kitchen. Like toaster, coffee maker, garbage can, blender, spice rack, kettle. All these things, your landlord might already have them. But if he doesn't or she doesn't, you get one for yourself. Especially a blender, because you're gonna be making a lot of homemade meals, so you don't want to miss out on the blender. You're gonna need a blender. Just see it as an investment. See a blender as an investment and start checking when they're on discount, because that's where you save yourself some bucks. Some what? Some bucks. We're wasting time here. Let's get straight to the bathroom. You need a shower curtain. It depends on how your shower is built. My shower, I didn't really need to get a shower curtain because our bath is more of like it's surrounded by glass. But yeah, so I really didn't need to get a shower curtain. But like most of the bath are like without shower curtains or like without a cover. So you can get yourself some shower curtains. You need a body towel or hand towel. You need a mat and rug, like bath mat. You're gonna need it because you don't want to slip and fall, right? You need soap dispenser. You need some soap dispenser. You need trash can. You need toilet paper. You're gonna be needing other bath necessities like your soap, your body wash, your body scrub, your deodorant, like those stuffs. You get them. Don't forget to get them. I'm trying to like going through my notes to see if I didn't miss out anything. What am I saying, bro? What am I saying? If you feel like you can get secondhand stuff, get them. You are just gonna be using it for a period of time. You're gonna be gifting it out anyways. You're gonna be selling it anyways when you're done with school. So you don't necessarily have to get like new stuff. I'm just saying if you also feel like you have the budget or you have the money to get new stuff, to get yourself some new stuffs. You can also get your stuffs off Shein, Amazon. You can get your soap dispenser, calendars. There are also other websites, but I feel like they are more Sweden based. So I don't want to give out the names because it might be different from where you all are staying. So maybe 3 months before you moving in, it's very advisable start checking websites to see if they've got stuffs on discount. It's gonna be really, really helpful because when you're moving in, you're going to be getting a lot of stuffs. So the best thing you want to do is to get everything at a very, very reasonable price, right? So yeah, that's just gonna be all for this video. For now, I don't know if that's enough information, but if you guys feel like you need more information about certain things, especially when you're moving in or when you're moving out, in whatever case it might be, you guys can put it down in the comment section. So, and I'll be replying to comment. And yeah, I think that's gonna be all for this video. That concludes the video of today, and I hope you by now you already have like a checklist of the things you'll be needing as you're moving into your new student apartment or your dorm. If you want more information, just let me know, okay? And I'm gonna be making a video about it. You know the drill, right? You know the drill. If you're actually watching to this point, my G, oh, sorry, my G, you are my G. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna be bringing to you guys more tips than you expect. Make sure you share to your friends that are also planning to move in. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And like I said, don't forget, there's a giveaway. I don't think I'm gonna be getting an iPad soon because I'm too broke for that. I'm too broke for that. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you guys in my next video. Bye.